This is your feeder and stock report for Wednesday, August 19th. The information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Across Alberta on Tuesday, steers 900 plus, 462 to 464, 8 to 900, 489 to 507, 7 to 800, 530 to 542, 6 to 700, 550 to 602, 5 to 600, 645 to 688, 4 to 500, 690 to 750. Heifers 900 plus, 45 to 420, 8 to 900, 422 to 455, 7 to 800, 475 to 510, 6 to 700, 515 to 550, 5 to 600, 562 to 610, 4 to 500, 612 to 640. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Tuesday saw no new trade to report, but there's a good chance scatter trade will develop by this afternoon. 2 out of the 3 Western Canadian packers are lifting cattle fairly timely. There have been reports that one packer is buying cattle for October delivery and are also limiting the amount of cattle they are buying from each producer. Even though prices have struggled, basis levels have been impressive. Last week, Alberta Fed prices were trading at a premium to the U.S. market. For the time being, we are front-loaded with fed cattle. Slaughter rates have started to pick up but are still running below last year. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows, 235 to 250. D3 cows, 210 to 234. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 262 to 275. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Iowa yesterday, with live sales at $2.26, $2 lower than the bulk of sales seen last week. Light trade was also noted in Nebraska, with dress sales at $3.59, $6 softer. Today, the market tone is weaker. Live bids at $2.25 have been reported, and cattle are moving. Tentatively, fed cattle prices are at the lowest point since early December. Union members at the Fort Morgan slaughter plant in Colorado have accepted the deal with Cargill. This plant has been idle since the middle of May. Amongst all the negative news with the recent plant closures, it is good to hear one plant will be back online processing cattle. National bony cows averaged 332.67 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.46, up 46 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. August 225.55, up 65. October 20.65, up 172. December 220.82, up 162. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.